Over the weekend, Expo Beauty took over the Renaissance Convention Center. 15 on 15's cosmetic sponsor L'Oreal represented in a big way. On Friday night, the red carpet opening event took place at the Renaissance Convention Center for Beauty Expo. L'Oreal's space was stocked fully with their signature products. From hair to cosmetics, anything to do with beauty, L'Oreal was there for you. More importantly, the knowledgeable beauty team of L'Oreal was present to provide one-on-one consultation. Furthermore, they utilized technology to allow customers to discover more about their skin. A machine was used to help during the consultation process regarding the flaws of each individual and which L'Oreal products would aid the imperfections. L'Oreal secured a large area and staged it extremely well. They had a tremendous turnout. When customers bought various products, they were eligible for a makeover by the experts of L'Oreal. During the makeovers, the beauty team provided the ladies with all sorts of tips.